Learning objectives. At the end of this topic, you will be able to learn solving equations which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side. Explain solving equations having the variable on both sides. Describe reducing equations to simpler form. Equations reducible to the linear form. Introduction. Algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that can contain ordinary numbers, variables like x or y, and operators like add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Example, 4 into z plus 6 into x minus 8. Equations. An equation is a mathematical sentence that uses the equal sign to show that two expressions are equal. Example, x plus 5 is equal to 2. Linear equation in one variable. An equation containing one variable raised to the power of 1 is called a linear equation in one variable. Example, x plus 1 is equal to 2. Consider the example x plus 1 is equal to 2. Here, left side of equation is x plus 1, which is having power of 1 for the variable x. Right hand side, we have 2. In between LHS and RHS, we have is equal to sign. Equation is known as linear equation. Solutions. In an equation, the values of the expressions on the LHS and RHS are equal. This happens to be true only for certain values of the variable. These values are the solutions of the equation. Example, consider the equation 2 into z minus 5 is equal to 1. If we substitute z is equal to 3 in the left-hand side, we have 2 into 3 minus 5 is equal to 6 minus 5, which will be equal to 1. Now the right-hand side is equal to 1. Hence, left-hand side is equal to right-hand side. Therefore, z is equal to 3 is a solution for an equation. Solving equations which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side. Consider the linear equation x minus 8 is equal to 22. To solve this linear equation, we must eliminate minus 8 from the left side. For that, we must add plus 8 on both sides. Therefore, x minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 22 plus 8. Minus 8 and plus 8 will get cancelled. So, x minus 0 is equal to 22 plus 8 is equal to 30. Hence, x is equal to 30. Let us consider another example. Minus 4 into x plus 7 is equal to 15. Now, as we did in the previous example, we eliminate plus 7 from the left-hand side. For that, we have to subtract minus 7 from both sides. Now we have minus 4 in the left-hand side and 15 minus 7 is equal to 8 in the right-hand side. Again, we have to eliminate minus 4 in the left-hand side. For that, we must divide by minus 4 on both sides. While dividing by minus 4, we have x in the left side and 8 divided by minus 2 is minus 2 in the right-hand side. Consider another example. X divided by 5 plus 7 is equal to minus 3. Now eliminate plus 7 from left side. We should subtract 7 from both sides. The equation is eliminated as x divided by 5 is equal to minus 10. Again, to eliminate 5 in the left side, we must multiply by 5 on both sides. Numerator 5 and denominator 5 will get cancelled. So we have x in the left-hand side. Minus 10 into 5 is minus 50. Hence, we have x is equal to minus 50. Some applications in linear equations. In this topic, we are going to learn to solve some real-life situations in linear equations. The present age of Reena's mother is 4 times the present age of Reena. After 7 years, their ages will add to 54 years. Find their present ages. Let the present age of Reena be x, then her mother's age will be 4 into x. After 7 years, Reena's age will be x plus 7. After 7 years, Reena's mother's age will be 4 into x plus 7. Sum of their age will be 54. Hence, x plus 4 into x is 5 into x. 7 plus 7 is 14. That is, 5 into x plus 14 is equal to 54. Now we brought the real-life situation as algebraic equation. 5 into x plus 14 is equal to 54. We have to take 14 to the right-hand side. It will change into minus 14. So 5 into x is equal to 54 minus 14, which will be equal to 40. Hence, x is equal to 40 divided by 5, which will be equal to x is equal to 8. The present age of Reena is equal to 8 years. The present age of Reena's mother is equal to 4 into 8, 32 years. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio of 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? Let the common ratio between the number of boys and the number of girls be x. Number of boys is equal to 7 into x, and the number of girls is equal to 5x. According to the given question, number of boys is equal to number of girls plus 8. Therefore, 7 into x is equal to 5 into x plus 8. On transposing 5 into x to left-hand side, we obtain 7 into x minus 5 into x is equal to 8. 7 into x minus 2 into x is equal to 2 into x is equal to 8. On dividing both sides by 2, we obtain x is equal to 4. Therefore, number of boys is equal to 7 into x is equal to 7 into 4, that's equal to 28. Number of girls is equal to 5x is equal to 5 into 4, that's equal to 20. Hence, total class strength is equal to 28 plus 20, that's equal to 48 students. Solve the equation 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 2 into x plus 6. We have 3 into x on the left-hand side and 2 into x in the right-hand side. For taking away positive 2 into x from the right side, we subtract minus 2 into x on both sides. Therefore, the right-hand side 2x will get cancelled and the left side will become 3 into x minus 2 into x is x. For taking away positive 4 from left side, subtract minus 4 from both sides. Left side is equal to 4 and minus 4 will get cancelled. Now consider the right-hand side. It's equal to 6 minus 4 will be equal to positive 2. Hence, x is equal to 2 is a solution. The next equation is 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 4 into x minus 9. Now we have to combine x in one side and numbers on the other side. Now taking positive 4 into x on the left-hand side, that will become minus 4 into x. Taking positive 1 to the right-hand side, it will become minus 1. Hence, minus 2x is equal to minus 10. Both sides we have minus sign, it will get cancelled. So, 2 into x is equal to 10. While dividing 2 on both sides, we get x is equal to 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. Consider the equation x minus 3 is equal to 4 into x plus 6. Now taking 4 into x to the left side, it will be minus 4 into x. By taking minus 3 to the right side, it changes to plus 3. Now consider the left side x minus 4 into x is minus 3 into x, and the right-hand side is plus 6 plus 3 will be plus 9. Dividing minus on both sides, we have 3 into x is equal to minus 9. By dividing by 3 on both sides, we have x is equal to minus 3. Perimeter of the square is 64 centimeters. If the side of the square is 2/3 the height of the pencil, what is the height of the pencil? We know that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side, which will be equal to 64. Therefore, side is equal to 64 divided by 4, which is equal to 16 centimeters. The statement of the question is, the side of the square 16 centimeter is equal to 2/3 of the height of the pencil. Let the height of the pencil be x. Therefore, 2 divided by 3 into x is equal to 16 centimeters. Taking away 2 divided by 3 to the right-hand side, the numerator will become denominator and the denominator will become numerator. Therefore, 16 into 3 divided by 2. 16 can be divided by 2 by 8 times. Now 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Hence, the height of the pencil is 24 centimeters. In this topic, we are going to discuss the equation which may seem complex at first, but when we simplify them, they become simpler and solving the equation easier. Consider equation 6 into x plus 1 whole divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 divided by 6. Now we will proceed. While solving this type of equation, first we should look at the denominator in the left-hand side and the right-hand side. We must find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 3, 6 is 6. Now multiply 6 on both sides. While multiplying by 6 on both sides, each and every term of the equation should be multiplied by 6. Now 6 times 6 into x plus 1 whole divided by 3 plus 1 should be multiplied by 6. So it is 6, which is equal to 6 times x minus 3 whole divided by 6. In the right-hand side, the numerator 6 can be cancelled by the denominator 6, and in the left-hand side, denominator 3 can be cancelled by 6 by 2 times. So we reduce the equation as 2 multiplied by 6x plus 1 plus 6, which is equal to x minus 3. Now we need to multiply 2 into 6 into x is 12 into x, and multiply 2 into 1 is 2 plus 6 is equal to x minus 3. Again, 12 into x plus 2 plus 6 is 8 is equal to x minus 3. Hence, we have 12x plus 8 is equal to x minus 3. This is a linear equation in one variable, having variables on both sides, so we need to solve it by the transposing method. Now take plus 8 to the right side, it will change as minus 8. Take x to the left side, it will become minus x. Therefore, 12x minus x is equal to minus 3 minus 8. That is, 12 into x minus x is minus 11 into x in the left side, and minus 3 minus 8 means we should add the number, put minus sign. That will be minus 11. Hence, 11 into x is equal to minus 11. Divided by 11 on both sides, we have x is equal to minus 1. In this topic, we are going to learn about equation reducible to linear form. Solve x plus 1 whole divided by 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 3 divided by 8. Now we have to reduce this equation in linear form. For that, we cross-multiply the right-hand side denominator with left-hand side numerator, and left-hand side denominator with right-hand side numerator. So 8 times x plus 1 is equal to 3 times 2 into x plus 3. Hence, 8 multiplied by x plus 1 is 8 into x plus 8 into 1. Is 8 is equal to 3 times 2 into x is to be 6x plus 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Now transposing 6x to the left-hand side, it will change as minus 6x, and transposing 8 to the right-hand side, it will change as minus 8. 8 into x minus 2 into x is 2 into x 9 minus 8 is 1. Therefore, the equation can be reduced to 2 into x is equal to 1. Again, to find the value of x, take away 2 to the right side, it will go to the numerator. Hence, x is equal to 1 divided by 2 is the required solution. Now we are going to discuss another problem involving equation reducible to linear form. 5 into x minus twice of 2 into x minus 7 is equal to twice of 3 into x minus 1 plus 7 divided by 2. We simplify LHS as simple form, and then we simplify RHS into simple form. Now consider the LHS. 5 into x minus 2 into 2 into x is 4 into x. 2 into minus 7 is minus 14. Now multiply minus sign inside the bracket. So 5 into x minus 4 into x, minus into minus is plus, so plus 14. Again 5x minus 4 into x is x plus 14, hence we simplify the LHS. In the same way, we multiply 2 into 3 into x minus 2 into 1 is 1 plus 7 divided by 2. Taking 2 as the LCM for the denominator, we have 6 into x minus 4 plus 7. The simplified equation now that we have is x plus 14 is equal to 6 into x plus 3 divided by 2. Now we can proceed in the transposing method by taking 6 into x to the left-hand side and 14 to the right-hand side. We have x minus 6 into x is equal to minus 3 divided by 2 minus 14. X minus 6 into x is minus 5 into x is equal to, taking LCM as 2 for the right-hand side. Minus 5 into x is equal to 3 minus 14 into 2 is equal to 28 whole divided by 2. Minus 5 into x is equal to 3 minus 28 is equal to minus 25 divided by 2. Now multiply by minus 1 divided by 5 on both sides. In the left-hand side, we have 5 and 5 will get cancelled, and minus into minus will be plus. On the right-hand side, 25 can be cancelled by 5 times, and minus into minus is plus. Therefore, x is equal to 5 divided by 2 is the solution of the equation. Summary. Let's summarize the topic. An algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. It says that the value of the expression on one side of the equality sign is equal to the value of the expression on the other side. The expressions which form the equation containing only one variable is known as linear equation. That is, the highest power of the variable appearing in the equation is a linear equation may have for its solution any rational number. An equation may have linear expressions on both sides. Just as numbers, variables can also be transposed from one side of the equation to the other. Occasionally, the expressions forming equations have to be simplified before we can solve them by usual methods. Some equations may not even be linear to begin with, but they can be brought to linear form by multiplying both sides of the equation by a suitable expression. The utility of linear equations is in their diverse applications. Different problems on numbers, ages, perimeters, combination of currency notes, and so on can be solved using linear equations.